seat, take a seat. VP Arnel, happy birthday. Okay. Thank you, Sam. So we are all excited here for the launch, or official launch of our newest product line. Everybody say iGlow. Okay, for a lot of people, they're asking, ba't pa tayo may ganitong product? Why do we have this kind of product? What does it say? What does it says about our company? Ano pa yung mga upcoming products in the pipeline? Okay, we are so excited to launch right now iGlow, simply because when we reach a certain age, by age 25, everybody say 25, every year we lose 1.5 to 2% of our collagen. So in the span of our 10 years, 15 to 20% of the collagen in the body are lost. Pababa yung collagen natin sa katawan. And collagen is one of the most important ingredient or material in our body. It comprises 70% of our skin, 70 to 80% of our skin. Maraming collagen sa mata, sa brain, sa balat, sa lungs, sa bones, sa cartilages. And it is very, very important. Not only for our health, but physically, aesthetically, it's very, very important and significant. So, these are the comparison of a young skin and an aging skin. If you will notice, the aging skin, marami ng mga dips, wrinkles, fine lines, and these are being speed up by pollution, by stress, ng puyat, okay, ng UV light, na exposure natin sa cellphone, sa laptop, sa monitor, lalo na pag hindi ka nakapag-sunblock. So we're all exposed to this. So in short, as we grow old, as we do our business, we cannot escape all of these things around us. But there's a way, a patented technology from a company that provides a patented ingredient called USAN. If you would notice, enzymatic hydrolysis, fermentation, these are two of the most effective way to potentiate and optimize collagen. Because there are a lot of collagen out there in the market. There are 3 types basically which you will see and realize later what are these 3 types of collagen. May mga collagen na mura, may mga collagen na sobrang mahal, may mga collagen na so-so. So what are the difference between those 3? So with us, this is the patented technology of our iGlow collagen. We call this smart collagen. Everyone say smart. When you say smart, there's something unique with that particular ingredient. When you say smart, there's something advanced in that particular technology. We call our collagen smart simply because of this patented technology. The enzymolysis, the biofermentation. Hindi po lahat ng collagen may enzymolysis process. Hindi po lahat ng collagen in the market may biofermentation. Most of the collagen out there, they have minimal absorption rate. So ladies and gentlemen, with our iGlow 24/7, your smart collagen, we have 98% absorption rate. 98, simply because it has low molecular weight, short chain, maiksi siya, madaling ma-digest, madaling ma-absorb, and it has clinical study, human clinical study for safety and efficacy. So it has 6,000 milligrams of marine collagen that underwent biofermentation in this patented technology. So all in all, in the box, it has 30,000 milligrams of smart collagen. So how does it differ from one to another? Ito na. Yung ordinary collagen na makikita mo sa online ngayon, minsan naka-big pouch siya, medyo mura-mura. Magugulat ka, how come they can sell it at that price? Simply because the molecular weight is so big. 100,000 to 300,000 Dalton. When we talk about molecular weight, the bigger it is, the harder for it to be absorbed. Mas malaki hindi na-absorb ng katawan. So can you imagine, 100 to 300,000 dalton. It's too huge and cannot be directly absorbed. Hindi siya na-absorb ng katawan. Kaya kahit ubusin mo yung pouch na yan, bali wala. Now, there are some collagen, ayan, naka-hydrolyze na. Everybody say hydrolyze. Medyo dumaan sa magandang technology. But sad to say, even though they underwent hydrolysis in that particular technology, medyo malaki pa rin yung molecular weight, roughly 2,000 dalton. With our iGlow Smart Collagen, it has small molecules. And the smaller molecules, the lower the molecular weight, the higher the absorption rate. Mas madaling na-absorb na katawan. It has 300 to 700 dalton. It's actually 7 times. Everybody say 7 times. 7 times higher absorption rate than your ordinary common hydrolyzed collagen peptide. So that's the efficacy of our particular product that we just launched a few weeks ago. Now, why do we need to take iGlow? Why do we need to take our Smart Collagen? For one, may mga tao na may dry skin. Tama po ba? Mag-i-enjoy yung mga may dry skin. Hindi po electric fan lang, tuyong-tuyo na yung balat. And there are people who have oily skin with big pores. Mag-i-enjoy mga may oily skin.
Yung mga pawis.
Iba ayaw umamin. Sino yan? Yung katabi mo ayaw umamin. And there are people who are constantly exposed to UV lights. Ayan.
Para sa mga puyat.
May mga lights din na exposure like yung lights galing sa LED, ng laptop, ng tablet, ng cellphone, ng monitor. Nakaka-dry din yan. May radiation na nakaka-dry pa. What else? Those who are exposed to smoke, active or passive smoking. Active pag ikaw mismo yung nag-yosi, passive kapag nasisindot mo lang. Those things can accelerate aging. Mas pinapatatandaan yan. When you're exposed to stress, to pollution, what else? Frequent traveler ka, maybe in other countries. Okay, you're exposed to different environment, madaling nagda-dry skin, na-exposed to sa mikrobyo. Ayan, always stay up late. Eh, tayo, lagi naman tayong late. Late sa pagbibusiness. Minsan madaling araw na naka-online pa. Tama o tama?
Tama.
Naka-expose ka sa monitor, uyak pa. So mas lalong kailangan mo ng collagen. Alcoholic beverage drinker, kapag napapainom, the more you need Smart Collagen. Last but not certainly the least, spends long hours in air-conditioned environment. Ayan naman, kung sakaling naka-aircon ka sa condo, naka-aircon ka sa office, kaya nakaka-dry din ang skin niya. So the good thing with our Smart Collagen, it resolves all of those things even though you're exposed in different kind of environment, different kind of toxins. As long as you supplement your body with iGlow, definitely you will look fresher, you will look younger, you will look healthier. Ayan. Ano-ano ba? What are the benefits of using iGlow, your Smart Collagen? Let's just say kung ikaw ay babae. Ayan. Reduces dark circles under eye bags and wrinkles. Yung eye bag mo ba mukha ng bagahe? Bakit? Laging buyak, walang tulog. Laging naka-online. So it can reduce the appearance of those eye bags. What else? Reduces the appearance of visible pores. Ayan. Nakalimutan mo ba magpa-derma? Nakalimutan mo ba magpa-facial? It should have been regular treatment every month or every so often. The good thing is that if you're taking iGlow, para ka na rin nagpapaderma. Maganda po ba yun? What else? Hydrates skin to manage fine lines, spots, and dry skin. Hydration is the key. Kaya sasabihin na mga medical professionals sa inyo, drink water every now and then. Kasi can you imagine kapag hindi ka pala inom, tuyot na yung balat mo, dehydrated ka pa. It will clearly show. So if you are taking eye glow, para kang nag-a-apply ng moisturizer ng hindi naman. Because hydration is the key. It will provide you with good and deep hydration. Slows the process of skin aging and sagging. Ano yung sagging? Yung banana. Sagging, nagsasag na. Ang bata-bata mo pa pero mukha ka ng thunders. Mukha ka ng senior citizen. Okay? So, the good thing with eye glow, your smart collagen, it reverses those kinds of signs. Kung ikaw naman lalaki, ayan, may Botox alternative. It reduces your fine lines and your wrinkles. Kita nyo naman si Sir Arnel. Sa sobrang lakas lumaklak, pinampaligo niya yung eye glow. Hindi siya mukhang ganong edad. Batang-bata. Reduces wrinkle appearance, it brightens dark circles as well. Whereas it evens out your skin tone. May brightening effect. Ayan, fills in the lines and may 24 hours hydration, deep hydration to be exact. For men, eto na, saan pwedeng magamit ang Smart Collagen na eye glow? Ayan, collagen for men's skin, firm skin for a more lifted look. May lift effect, may batak na effect. So bumabata yung itsura. Do you want to look young? Feel young na nga, look young pa. What else? Reduces excessive oil production para sa mga oily skin. Nababawasan yung sebum formation, yung pagpuproduce ng maraming oil. What else? Seals in moisture, ayan na, yung deep hydration. Hindi kinakailangan mag-moisturizer kasi marami ka ng moisture. What else? Fight against hair loss or baldness. Kasi maganda ang collagen sa buhok. Okay, so kung meron kang hair thinning, luminipis na yung buhok, ayan, nagpapakapal, nagpapatubo. Okay, sa mga may lahi ng medyo yung baldness sa tinatawag, nakakapigil ito, nakaka-reverse. Maganda po ba yun? So yung mga nakakalbo dyan, may pag-asa ka pa. Huwag ipapaligo, iinumin ko, iinumin. Minimize clear. Ito maganda. Make your beard thicker. Di ba yung mga nag-aalaga ng bigote at saka balbas? The beard, okay? It will look thicker. It will become a healthy part or healthy hairs. Protects, soothes, and repair damaged skin cells and scars. Muscle recovery and muscle growth. Lalo pagka nag-gym, kailangan mo ang collagen. So, collagen is not only for the skin, it's for the muscles, okay? It's also good for the eyes, it's good for the brain, it's also for your hair as well. Sa mga babae naman, ito. Youthful radiance. In short, uma-aura ka. Tingin pa lang sa'yo pag sinabi mo yung edad mo, hindi makapaniwala sa edad mo. Ang akala ng lolo ka sa edad mo. Other than your youthful radiance, all-day hydration, ayan, hindi mo na kailangan ng moisturizer. Simply because deep hydration ang pinoprovide ni eye glow. Ayan nga 24/7. Round-the-clock hair care. Sa mga gusto magpahaba, magpakapal, maging healthy yung hair, collagen is very, very important. Nail resilience. Ayan na. Kung gusto mong malakas, matibay, yung mga kuko, okay, toenails or fingernails, lalo na iba na nagpapahaba ng kuko, this is really, really a good supplement for that purpose. Weight management. Ayan na. Siyempre, pag pumayat, nagkakaroon ng skin sagging. The good thing with collagen, may lifting effect. So, hindi nakikita yung mga marks kung pumayat ka. Okay, maganda po ba yun? So, yung mga mahilig magpapayat ng ayaw ng may marks, eye glow is very, very good for you. 24/7 beauty from within, under eye revitalizer, skin brightening, wrinkle reduction. Ito yung pinakagusto ko. Eyebrow care. Simply because sa mga babae, kilay, is life. Kakaahit mo, kakanipis mo, kakaplak mo, nawala na. Buti na lang may eyebrow. Kakapal na, tutubo pa, manibig, palasako pa. So pag hinawi mo ito, papunta doon. Hindi nagre-revolusyon yung eyebrow. Maganda po ba yun?